All right, so to start off with, we're going to cross off number 1. My computer added a little extra that I just didn't need. So we're starting with number 2. If you're OCD like me, it's going to bother you, but it's okay. So I have n minus 2n equals 2. So like the title of the lesson says, we're going to combine like terms to solve equations. So don't forget, if I have an n, that's actually 1n. And so I have 1n minus 2n. So if I have 1 minus 2, that's going to give me negative 1n equals 2. Then we can solve for n by dividing by negative 1. We end up with n equals negative 2. So we're just adding a little bit to our one-step equations. We're combining like terms. They're on the same side of the equal sign. That way there's only one variable to solve for, and there's not two, because when there's two, we can't do anything with that. Okay. Coming down to number 3, I have 8b minus 7b. Well, 8 minus 7 is 1, so 1b equals negative 8. And then you can go ahead and divide by 1 if you want to do that step, or you can just stop up here and box it because 1b is the same thing as b, and it's negative 8. Okay, number 4, I've got 3x and 3x. Those are like terms. They both have an x in them, so I'm going to combine them to make 6x. And then I bring down the other side of the equation equals 6. Then I divide both sides by 6, and you get x equals 1 for your final answer. All right, let's go down to number 5. 7p plus 2p is 9p. And then to solve for p, I'm going to divide by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, so p equals 2. And then the last one, we've got some negatives, so negative 3x minus 5x. You could think of this as negative 3 plus negative 5. Just think of that minus as a negative. So when I put those together, I'm going to add 3 and 5 and then keep the negative sign, so it'll be negative 8x equals 0. And it freaks people out when you get 0, but as long as I don't have 0 x's, we're okay. I can still divide both sides by negative 8, and we just find out that x is 0. So we're combining like terms on one side of the equation, and then it creates a one-step equation after that, which we should already know how to solve.